Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a argumentative essay. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of argumentation and understanding. It got the following characteristics. It is a written tool that allows you to argue a position on a specific topic, aims to know an author's posture on a specific topic, and is argumentation through others' authors and references. This tool is always used in writing, allows to develop a text whenever you want to argue an idea or a position. If you are developing a project with a design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology, is used in the empathy phase. To develop argumentative essay correctly, you must write a punctual and concise dissertation. To make an argument with clear quotes and extend textual analysis, all of that to support with details and references. Okay, so when we are developing argumentative essay, the first thing that we need to know is that the essay is divided in four parts. All the essay is right entire in third person, everything. You never talk in first person. Always you write in third person. The minimum length of words in an essay is around 7,500, around that. That's the minimum. That is without counting the title, the subtitle, and the bibliography. That's a part of the 7,500 words. Okay, so the first part is the dissertation. The dissertation has to be punctual. It has to show the posture of the person who's writing the essay. It doesn't have to be very long. Maximum 4 lines, and in that you show what is the posture about the topic that you are talking about. So when you write the dissertation, you know what is the side you will have and what is the posture that you will support. After you have your dissertation, you start the argumentation. The argumentation is the most extended part because it will have many paragraphs, and it's very important because it will support the posture that you have in your dissertation. The correct way to do the argumentation is the following. You start with a textual quote that you took from a book, from a bibliography source, and you put it in quotation mark. It always have to have quotation mark. If it's not in quotation mark, it's wrong. You always have to keep in quotation mark. Next, the quote has to have a length around 4 lines maximum around that, and you put it like. After that, you make the analysis. The analysis is with your own words. It has to be very deep, and you have to write as long as is necessary to show and support why you are doing that. Usually, a essay has a minimum of 4 quotes. They are always quote, then analysis, another paragraph with quote, analysis, and you keep writing like that for the time that you need it. But it's always important that this part is very well structured, and it has to have a lot of meaning, anything that you are putting on. The analysis has to be very deep. That is extremely important. And this part, it has to have at least 3/4 of the whole essay. Then you have the conclusion. The conclusion is the last paragraph. I strongly recommend don't make it longer than 8 lines as a maximum. You have to be very specific, and you have to conclude the position that you have in something. And over there you say, okay, the conclusion that we got is ta 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 ta. And it's very important that you put everything together in the structure on the development of the essay. Finally, we have the bibliography. The bibliography has to go separately. In the bibliography, you put the source of the quotes that you took. You have to be very detailed. You can make it Harvard style or you can make it APA, is really up to you. So it's very important that you, oh, if you don't put bibliography in your essay, that is a huge mistake because it means that you are plagiarizing the text. So you always have to put everything in quotation marks, the quotes that you took, and always put the bibliography depending in the style that you want to make the references. You can do that in a separate sheet of paper. As a conclusion, we can say that when you finish writing the essay, you must have evidence of the position of the writer and why you make and you did the position that you took. The tools allows you to evidence and show the posture of the writer and the argumentation of it. The key to developing a good essay is to follow the structure of this video to make it deep and compelling analysis of the dissertation. The more deep and objective the analysis is, it will have a better result and a better understanding. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.